Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting product that will revolutionize the way you print on the go. Introducing the Phomemo M02 Pocket Printer, the mini Bluetooth portable mobile photo printer that brings convenience and creativity to your fingertips. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who loves to capture and share memories, this little device is a game changer. Let's dive right in. What sets the Phomemo M02 apart from other printers? Well, for starters, it connects seamlessly to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth 4.0. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices, this printer is a breeze to set up. Say goodbye to tangled wires and complicated installations. One of the standout features of the Phomemo M02 is its thermal printing technology. This means you don't need any ink cartridges. That's right, no more messy ink spills or expensive replacements. It uses special thermal paper that reacts to heat, allowing you to print black and white images and text with incredible clarity. Speaking of prints, the Phomemo M02's dedicated app is a powerhouse of creativity. With just one click, you can instantly print your favorite photos or important notes, saving you time and effort. The app offers a wide range of fonts, filter effects, and themes, ensuring that your prints are personalized and visually stunning. You can even print on transparent paper for a unique touch. Now, let's talk about the versatility of this little wonder. The Phomemo M02 is not just a photo printer, it's your ultimate assistant. Use it for company business, work plans, office memos, meeting notes, or even your study materials. It's perfect for students, amateur archivists, and busy parents who want to stay organized. The possibilities are endless. And here's a handy tip. To extend the battery life, make sure to charge the printer when the indicator light turns red. It's a small step that will keep your Phomemo M02 ready for action whenever you need it. In conclusion, the Phomemo M02 Pocket Printer is a must-have gadget for anyone seeking portability, convenience, and creativity. Whether you're a student who wants to make studying more enjoyable, a professional who needs an on-the-go printing solution, or someone who simply wants to have fun with photos and notes, the Phomemo M02 has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your Phomemo M02 today and unlock a world of possibilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more technology. Goodbye!